Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Tea Time Style Time. Glad to have you guys here with me. It is scorching hot where I am today. It's supposed to be about 101 degrees. No bueno, but it is what it is. At least I can escape indoors to a cool climate. So today's video, I have an unboxing for you. It is the Swatch Jubilee limited edition watch featuring the Queen with color changing clothing and her little corgi. So how that works is you go online to the Swatch website. It's been sold out a few times. It retails for $105 US. It has free shipping and they ship it to you. You take it out of the box, you set it, and once every day the clothing on the Queen will change colors. I am intrigued and excited to see what it is like. So I'm gonna go ahead and change to the unboxing, and then in a couple days I will give you an update as to how I like the watch and how it's going.
So this is the Swatch unboxing. You do have two options. For me, it was between UPS Ground and Second Day Air. I chose Second Day Air from UPS, and that's because I'd rather have it quicker with a holiday weekend coming up. The box itself was over the presentation box, which I thought was very well done. The high price of this watch is basically for the packaging. So there is a Coldstream footman on the front, a striped backing, and it is supposed to be as if the guard is on duty outside of Buckingham Palace. Once it slides open, the watch itself is located on a silver backing. It is made of plastic. It is very soft, and I'm thinking this will be good because it is white, it should be easier to keep clean. Now, under the watch, it did come with a certificate and instructions. I will have to read through it to see if I have to register. And I do like that it came with a crown. I thought that was a very nice touch for the Jubilee. Now, the watch itself does have a white dial. You pull out the pin to set the time as well as change the clothing color on the Queen. There's the little corgi, which is a symbol of the Jubilee. The back just has the information about Swatch, and the silver thing is the cover for the battery. I did see the watch did come with the battery. It was already tick-tocking when I got it. And here's a look up close. The clothes have changed to green. Now, I do also like that there are 70 dots for 70 years on the throne.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.